everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto coin. From this coin you can earn a very big profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can start the video. So as you can see, the website was open. Sonic Bitcoin is the name of this project, and it's a very growing project and give you a very big profit, so must participate in it. And the link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. It was totally launched in many more exchanges. I will share with you the live chart of this coin, and you can earn a very big profit if you participate right now. So must read the detail and then be the member of this project and get profitable. So we can scroll down. As you can see, we are like Bitcoin but faster. As you can see, the contract address of this coin was also available. It's a meme coin, and it's give you a very big profit because meme coin grow very fastly and give a very large amount of profit if you participate with the right time. So it's the right time for you to be the member of this project, so must read the detail and then participate in it. So as I will tell you about, it was the 100% available on every exchange. It's very important information about you to know about this project. And then you can see the tokenomics of this project. Here is our tokenomics, and you can see the total supply of this coin was available. Then you can see distribution and many more things was also available. So must read the detail and then be the member of this project. As you can see, the about section and the tokenomics was available in website, so must read the detail and then you can participate in this project. Now friends, I will share with you on which exchange it will be listed and how you can buy this coin fastly. So first of all, we can go to the pump website. As you can see, the detail was available on pump fund. You can see the live chart of this Sonic BTC coin. As you can see, it growing very fastly, and you can also be the member of this project, and you can also get profit in future. So you can also see the detail. You can simply buy or sell. Simply create your account and buy from Solana coin, you can see. And it's a Solana based project, and you can see totally detailed about its Twitter, Telegram, website, and each and everything was available. And bounding crave progress was 100%, as you can see, and it's grow very fastly. Must read the detail, and you can see all the feedbacks of buyers on this exchange. So must read the detail and be the member of this project. Now I will share with you another exchange. You can see on mexic.com. As you can see, live chart of this coin was available. It's growing up and up, and you can also get profit from this SBTC coin. You can see at BCC Solana network was used, and you can see the market cap and total buying selling of this coin. As you can see, buyer come very fastly, and it will be gets very big profit, so must participate in it. And you can see the detail about this project, its total quantity, value, and each and everything was available. So must read the detail and then participated. And now you can see on Geeko terminal live chart. You can see current price of this coin on this exchange, and you can see it linked with CoinGecko. And the live detail about this coin was available. It's growing up 99.31%, so it's a very good position and good time for investing. And you can see live chart and current volume detail, liquidity, each and everything was available. Market cap, as you can see on screen. And these are the very basic and main thing to know about this project I will share with you. So must read it and then participate in this project and get more profitable. Now I will share with you the social media account. You can see the Twitter account of this project. It helps to know about how much thing was coming in this project and how you can get more profit. And you can see latest announcements, details, and many more things was available. So must read it and then be the member of this project and get more profit from this project. So it's a very good opportunity for you. And also join the Telegram community of this project to get know latest updates and newses about this project. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project, how it's work, and how you can buy, and you can simply participate in this project. And I will share with you each and everything. So must participate in it and be the member of this project. Hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, so must subscribe subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. And friend, as you can see, you have another option to buy this coin. You can simply swap it from which currency you have in your wallet, and simply you can buy SBTC. Simply connect your wallet from which one your wallet have, and then you can simply swap it from pump swap. It's a very simple and easy method to purchase this SBTC coin, and hopefully you will know each and everything. Link of each and everything was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then participate in this project. So hope we will be meet in next video.